What's up, guys? I just made another purchase from usfireworks.com. Bought a couple cases of some more fireworks. I got one of the Epicenter 200 grams, Loud Cloud 200 gram. As you can see there, you cat them out. Catapult, I mean. This is the one that about killed me last week. Dominator Diamondback. I bought two more of those. Got 4 parachutes. Pretty cool. Y'all remember those when you was a kid. And it come with this awesome but not really awesome assortment pack. Got this free with the purchase. Also free shipping on my purchase here. I bought these 4 packs of these big pumps here. Things like $2 a pack. That's pretty cool. I've never seen big ones like that, so I had to have those. Anyway, let's get to the big product. This here is the Rip, Rock, and Roll, and this is a Dominator rewrap. All this is the what is it? The Brothers Amazing Ballet is what this is. Yep, that's all it is. This is just a Dominator version of it. So I picked up 2 of those. One for the 4th of July and one for the wedding show that I have coming up next month. Well, late April, almost this month. Alright, set this here. Alright. Let's see what I got here. This is the Dominator brand, Gold Storm, and this is also a rewrap of Brothers Cake, Gold Dust. Any of y'all seen Gold Dust? I'm sure you have. Got a case of them, 4 to a case. So I'll have 2 for the wedding and 2 for the 4th. Good to hit 2 of those at one time at the beginning of the show. Start it off. Gets off good gold reports. You can go to YouTube and watch it. I'm sure somebody has it up on their page. Alright, some of these 200 grams over here. Alright, let's see what we got here. All these are Dominator brand, by the way. usfireworks.com sells Dominator brand. They sell a couple other things too, but Dominator is what they really push. Got a case of American Steel. Up in there took a beating during shipping. I already ripped it open to look at it, so it looks. I bet it's still fire. So, sorry about that. Got 4 of these to a case. So, man, that one was really handled rough. I must have slung this box everywhere. Ooh. So 2 for the wedding show, 2 for the 4th again. I think that's the way I'm gonna do it. I change my mind daily, so we may change between here and there. Who knows? Who knows? Let's put this down there. Alright, this is my, sorry about that, this is my last case. Can't remember what this is. Oh yeah, okay. This is a case of, oh, let me get it out. Patriotic Dominance. This in here's pretty bad. It's got good, boom, loud, big burst. You can tell it's probably a 2-inch at least. You can go to YouTube and check that out too. I went to YouTube and watched this one, and Printer sold it for me. So anyway, yeah, that's pretty sure it's gonna be my last. I say that every time, but I'm pretty sure that's gonna be my last order. Like I said, usfireworks.com. You can buy this stuff wholesale or you can buy it individually. But if you're serious about fireworks and you want to put on a pretty decent show and you got the extra money to do it with, I advise to buy it wholesale. I think this case here probably paid, yeah, I got it right here, $126 a case, when it's a regular probably a $50, $55 cake. So you do the math. You save a good bit of money doing that. Anyway, that's my final stash. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out.